So I was doing an annual service of my 1.6 HDI Peugeot Partner 2007, and I fitted a new filter, and that's a Mann filter, that's the number. And the new filter I fitted in, it's a little bit dirty because I already put it in there, but what I notice is that the bottom part that this goes in the engine is really rotating. So if you hold it like that, it kind of rotates the whole thing around, and I thought that shouldn't be right. Bought another one, which is a Bosch. I normally use Mann, but bought this time Bosch, and this doesn't really rotate at all. The bottom part does not rotate at all. So if you have a filter and you want to replace the oil filter, just make sure that this doesn't rotate at the bottom. What it's supposed to be, that's the cap on the filter. You plug it in there, oil comes in here, and filters out. So if this rotates, it means there is a space between the plastic here and the paper here. So some of the oil, it will find the least resistance, and that seems pretty big gap if that rotates that easy actually. So it will find here, so it will filter nothing. So if you are replacing the oil filter on your 1.6 HDI Peugeot Partner, well, 1.6 HDI engine or any other 1.6 HDI engine, just make sure that this doesn't rotate. I don't know, probably it's some sort of a manufacturer fault, but I'll use they're exactly the same. There is no difference between the two. Well, here is a paper on top, here is a rubber on top for the Bosch. So I'll use this time the Bosch because this doesn't rotate. So if you're changing it, make sure that this doesn't rotate. You don't want some dirt in the oil not filtered going through down here. Thank you.